Miss me!
I love sleepovers.
Me too, Rosie. It's always fun when we stay the night with you and Raggles.
Yes, because then I get to do this!
Milk time! Got it!
Phew! Pillow fights a thirsty walk.
Thirsty! The plants! We almost forgot they'll be thirsty too. Come on, let's give them a drink. Get ready, Raggles.
Look, it's a snake. I'm not scared of snakes.
Me neither.
Okay, Raggles.
Naughty snake.
Night-night.
Night-night,
Rosie.
Pardon you, Raggles.
It wasn't me.
Well, if it wasn't Raggles...
Where did it come from?
Oh, that noise is funny. I wonder what's making it.
Noise? Can't say I noticed.
Maybe Rosie will know where the noise is coming from.
What was that?
There's somebody at the door.
Come on, Rosie. Let's go and see who it is.
Who is it?
It's only us.
Hello, Bluebird. Big Bear, did you hear the noise too?
Oh, yes. Funny, isn't it?
Well, I couldn't hear anything. That noise!
I wonder what's making it.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Whoa! What's that?
Oh, maybe the thunderstorm went underground.
I don't think storms can do that, Big Bear. But the ground is gurgling. Let's go and explore.
I don't think we should. It's very dark.
It isn't now.
Last one to the playground is a rumbly monster. Monster? Where?
Wait for me!
Wait for me.
It's the little acorns making the noise. Oh,
The acorns aren't loud enough to be the noise.
they don't make the ground shake either.
And how is Oakley managing to sleep through it?
What? Where? Who? Oh, hello. What are you all doing on my hill? It's the middle of the night.
A loud noise is keeping us all awake and we don't know where it's coming from.
We thought it was a thunderstorm.
Or a monster. Haven't you heard it?
No? Describe it to me.
It goes something like this. Burble, 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 burble.
No, it's more like this. Gurgly, gurgly.
And this.
Wow, Holly!
Oh.
Not Holly, Oakley.
I beg my pardon. I'm terribly sorry.
Stop it! Stop that horrible noise right now!
I'm sorry, Bluebird, but I don't know how.
It's sounds just like my tummy when I'm hungry.
That's it. Oakley's roots must be rumbling. Are you hungry or thirsty, Oakley?
Well, it hasn't rained for a few days, so my old roots could be thirsty.
Come on, everyone. Let's get some water for Oakley and give him a nice big drink.
Whoops. Sorry, Bluebird.
That's enough, Big Bear. My turn now.
Thank you, everyone. I feel much better now, and there shouldn't be any more strange noises keeping you awake. Speaking of which, isn't it way past your bedtime?
Yes. We'd better go. Night-night, Oakley.
Good night, everyone.
Rosie,
Yes.
I'm glad I don't have roots that gurgle. It's noisy enough in my tummy.
Mm-hmm.
But if I did have roots, I think they'd prefer a banana sandwich.
Night-night, Raggles. Oh, no.
Yoo-hoo! Anybody in? Hi, everyone. Would you like to come out and play?
Sorry, Holly, we're busy making a robot. A robot? Sort of. Oh, I wish I had a proper robot. Or better still, I'd like to make a Ragglebot. Easy peasy. Don't worry, Raggles. I'll make you the best Ragglebot ever.
I'll help. I'm good at making things. Come on, Will. Let's get to work. Whoops! How do robots move?
Like this.
Look, Big Bear, we can use my old remote control car to help it move.
And my old doll can be the Ragglebot's face.
This sounds like it'll be fun.
Oh. What are you doing?
I'm making it look pretty.
No, you're not. You're ruining it. With all that fancy stuff stuck on, it won't work.
Yes, it will.
What do you think, Big Bear?
I don't really know. I think you've both got good ideas.
Perfect. Okay, Bluebird, you can take a look now. What do you think?
Oh, it's so ugly.
Oh,
Can't you make it prettier? I know what you need. I'll be right back.
Big Bear?
Hi, Will. How's it going?
Bluebird says I need to make my Ragglebot prettier, but I don't know how. Can you help me?
Oh, I can't.
Why not?
If I help you, then it's not fair on Holly. I can't help either of you. Sorry, Will.
Ta-da! Look at these feathers. Ooh, now your Ragglebot will be as beautiful as me.
Oh, well, thanks, Bluebird. Do you think Raggles will like them?
Of course. There are lots of other things he likes too. His hammock, snacks, and of course Rosie. If you add those to your Ragglebot, then yours will definitely be the best.
If you say so, Bluebird. Maybe Holly's ideas weren't so silly after all.
It's not supposed to do that. Will's much better at making things move. Are you sure you can't help, Big Bear?
Sorry, Holly.
Now then, what What seems to be the problem?
Oh, my Ragglebot has gone all floppy.
Aha! It's just like building a nest.
It is?
Oh, yes. There's nothing worse than a floppy nest. What you need to do is pick the best twigs to go around the outside.
Oh, thanks, Bluebird. Oh, maybe if I just swap these bits over too. There! Maybe Will's ideas weren't so bad after all.
Ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1.
Now!
You haven't seen anything yet. Watch this. Oh no, that wasn't supposed to happen.
Of course, I didn't help with that bit. Brilliant! I love it!
Wait till you see my Ragglebot go. Look! Now forwards. Go on, off you go. No, you're going the wrong way. Oh, stop. Oops.
I'll help. Go on, Ragglebot. Save the day.
That tickles.
Uh-oh. Maybe I should have helped Will and Holly after all.
My Ragglebot is broken.
So's mine. Now we don't have any Ragglebots.
Oh no! They're the best Ragglebots I nearly had.
Sorry, Raggles.
Me too.
We should have listened to each other and made a Ragglebot together. Sorry, Will.
Sorry, Holly.
Oh, it's okay, you two. Hey, remember my funny robot moves? Oops.
You've just given me an idea, Big Bear. I know a way to make a robot that will do what it's told and won't break. Hey, no peeking. This is a top secret operation. Operation Super Ragglebot.
Okay, everyone. It's time to see the Super Ragglebot. Take it away, Rosie.
Ta-da!
Wow!
Go forwards. Spin around.
On one leg! Wow! This is the best Ragglebot ever!
My name is Hollybot. Pleased to meet you.
Left, right, pick up the biscuit. Bring it to me, please. Oh, I love my Rosie bot, but I'd much rather have my Rosie instead. Even if she doesn't always do what I ask.
Rosie Bot does not like cheeky rabbits.
Hey, Rosie! Please.